How to block annoying ads on YouTube. First, open up the Chrome web store in your Google Chrome or simply click the link provided in the description below for an instance. Once you're there, locate the search bar at the top right of your screen and search for Ublock Origin. Great! Now you should see the Ublock Origin extension in the search results. Click on it to access the extension page. The Ublock Origin page will provide you with details about the extension. Look for the Add Extension button and click on it. A pop-up will appear, asking for your confirmation to add the extension. Go ahead and click Add Extension to proceed. Now that Ublock Origin is successfully installed, let's move on to enabling it specifically for YouTube. Click on the 3 vertical dots at the top right corner of your Chrome browser to access the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, select Extensions in the left side corner. You will now see a list of all the extensions installed in your browser. Once you locate Ublock Origin, make sure the toggle switch is turned on to activate the extension on YouTube. And there you have it. You can now enjoy browsing on YouTube without the annoying ads. If you have any ideas for topics you'd like us to cover in our next video, please let us know in the comments below. Your input is important to us, and we're always looking for ways to assist you with your technical needs.